Hello, this is Dr. Swati Suradkar. I am a breast cancer surgeon. Today I am going to tell you about some risk factors related to the breast cancer. As you all know that the risk of breast cancer increases after the age of 40 years. So there are few factors which are related to the increased risk of breast cancer. These broadly we can divide them into the lifestyle related factors, genetic factors or hormone related factors. So genetic factors include the family history of having breast cancer, either to mother or grandmother, maternal aunt, one or more members in the family having breast cancer, ovarian cancer, or a member in a family having male breast cancer or bilateral breast cancer. These few are genetic factors which predisposes a woman for having a more risk of getting breast cancer. These patients, they should definitely do their genetic test. This genetic breast cancer is less than, like, it's up to 10% of all the cases what we find in our OPD. All the cases of breast cancer. So other factors are like lifestyle related. So obesity, more fat intake in the diet, then not doing exercises, alcohol consumption, smoking. These are lifestyle related factors. So maintaining the adequate weight for your height is very important. So doing regular exercise, physical exercise, at least 30 to 40 minutes per day, at least 3 to 4 times in a week is very important. So regular physical exercise and taking a good nutritious diet is very important for preventing breast cancer. The other important factors are hormone related factors. These include late marriages, late first pregnancy, especially after 35 years, having first child, then having no child, nulliparity, then early menarche and late menopause, then taking some birth control pills or hormone replacement therapies which contain more estrogen content. So these are few hormone related factors. So this is in short related to the, actually in any case of a breast cancer patient we cannot just pinpoint, many times we cannot pinpoint a single factor, single cause for breast cancer, but these are few factors which are related to the increased incidence of breast cancer. So thank you very much. Thank you.